If you have multiple camera angles and want to switch between them fast while editing in CapCut on Mac or PC, this video will show you how to use CapCut's Multicam feature efficiently. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the video clips you want to use, including camera angles and screen recordings. Drag all the clips into the timeline. CapCut will handle the syncing for you. If you recorded audio externally, drag that audio clip into the timeline as well. Make sure the clip with the audio you want to use is set as the main audio. Turn off any audio you don't need from the other clips. If you didn't record audio externally, leave the audio on for the camera or screen recording you want to use. Next, select all the clips in the timeline, including the external audio if you have it. Right-click and choose Sync Video and Audio. Wait for the process to complete. Now adjust the video and audio length accordingly. After that, right-click and choose Create Multi-Camera Clip. Choose a sync option like Auto or Audio, turn on Proxy only if your computer is slow, name the clip if you want, and click Create. Once the multi-camera clip is created, drag it onto the timeline. Trim the beginning if there's extra space. In the preview window, turn on multi-camera mode and choose either the 4-camera or 9-camera view, depending on how many angles you have. Now start editing. Move to the first frame, press play, and simply click on the camera angle you want as the video plays. CapCut will automatically cut and switch angles in real time. You can click between angles as fast as you want while the video plays. If you make a mistake, just replay the clip. Hover between two cuts until the edit point highlights, then drag it left or right to fine-tune the timing. You can easily switch to another angle earlier or later by adjusting these cut points. You can also use full screen view and simply press 1 or 2 on your numeric keyboard to switch to the camera angle you want as the video plays. CapCut will automatically cut and switch angles in real time. When you're happy with the edit, click Export, choose your settings, and save your multi-camera video. That's how to quickly edit and switch between multiple camera angles in CapCut using the Multicam feature. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.